Hey everyone, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today the video is very interesting and associated with more or less technical guys. Okay, those who are very keen in interested in testing and giving the feedbacks for design and development of the software or the websites or anything that is digital or associated with digital content. So if you have a keen eye for a website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. So it's a great way to make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. So to test websites, you must have critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication abilities, and knowledge of website functionality and design. So these qualities can improve your job prospects and test reporting quality also. Payments are usually project based, and the rates differ based on the testing methods and the platform's policy itself. So know that this job is not just for random guys. Okay, so this is for the skilled persons. Okay, you will need or you will have to have a knowledge, basic knowledge regarding testing and giving feedbacks associated with this. For example, there are few websites like user testing. They offer you like $4 to $120 per test. Website testers who participate in live interviews with the clients can make more money. So here are like few other marketplaces where people can make money online via website testing projects. I will just list it out for your reference, and we will also evaluate one of the platform from this so that you can understand step-by-step process of how to enroll to these companies and approach your application process to start making money. And this could be your permanent job also. Okay, so most of them also offer you internship or either permanent jobs into their corporates. So Uber Tester is one of them, a crowdsourced testing service focusing on the websites mainly, then mobile apps, and then followed by the games. Then there is a UserBrain, an online tool offering user experience testing for websites and digital product prototypes. There is a Testbirds. Testbirds is another user experience testing for digital products including e-commerce store, mobile apps, and fitness trackers also. So Testbird is one of the websites which we are going to explore more into this video later in the time. Then there is another platform like Userlytics. In addition to testing the websites and apps, it offers projects focusing on reviewing the video commercials. Then there is a Try My UI also. Try My UI provides impression testing for the websites and mobile apps via recorded videos and survey-based feedbacks. So the best way to apply for the position you are interested in is by completing their application form. Let's talk about the Testbird platform here. You can access the application form with the Apply Now button in the job advertisement on their official website. To get in touch, you can also reach out to the Christine and Stephanie, who are the officials on the Testbird website. All the published job offers are up to date. So as soon as the position is filled on their website, they will remove it from their website. So if there are also questions which are asked by the users whether the interns are allowed on this website or not. So yes, basically interns are heartily welcomed on their company or on their website, so they can have the exciting internship program also. You can find the Testbirds offer intern positions on their official websites in the advertisement sector itself. It doesn't matter to them whether your internship is compulsory or voluntary. Every internship is remunerated. So all the interns work full time and stay with the Testbirds for at least 3 to 4 months. But unfortunately, they are therefore unable to offer the internship to secondary school students. Okay, so if you are a secondary school student, then this might take a while for you to get on board through their process. So it's also possible to combine the internship with your bachelor or the master thesis in cooperation with the Testbirds. State this in your application and it can be discussed further in detail with the Testbird officials. So in the past, they have sometimes continued the employment after the internship has conducted. So here is the opportunity for you. If you are going through proper internship and if you are showing your skills properly on the Testbird during your internship, then you can also be a permanent employee at their premises. Okay, either as a working student position or as a permanent position also. The application process for an internship differs only slightly from a permanent position. So Testbird offers mainly permanent positions and internship. However, sometimes they also offer working student positions as well. Okay, so you don't have to be an employee, but you can work there as a student and earn as a part-time passive income. So you can also work with Testbird physically, going through their offices or remotely, and that is also possible in some positions or in some geolocations. Every employee that starts with their company is assigned a buddy to show you around the office of their first day, introduce you to the different departments, and provides you extensive information about the daily life at the Testbirds. So shortly after you start, detailed instructions of all the departments will take place. The professional training takes place within the department also. So you will be given a hands-on training before you can start with your actual work. Your colleagues will take time to help you with the different assignments so that you can get used to the Testbird systems. Their core working hours for everyone are like from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The standard time. So it's up to you whether you prefer to be an early bird or the night owl. So they distinguish between the office bird and mobile bird. So if you decide to be an office bird, then you will work at least 50% in the Testbird's office physically. And if you are a mobile bird, then you can work at least 50% mobile, but you are of course will still be welcomed into the office. So that is the definition where you can work remotely in the Testbirds office. They will recommend that all the mobile birds visit the office at least once in a month so that you can have a personal exchange with their colleagues. Problems due to the different devices, operating systems and screen sizes as well as lack of time and resources are now a thing of the past. So because Testbird will take care of all these things while doing the user testing through their crowd sources. So with the power of one of the largest and the most active global crowds and their extensive range of devices and operating systems, the usability of the testing, functionality testing, and the user experience optimization of their digital products is straightforward, fast, and cost-effective. So you can whoever is there going to test their products, they can select the tester that best matches their requirements and have all the tests done in the real world condition. So that this is where you come as a tester. You can solve the problem of the whoever the client is yours and give some outputs or feedbacks to the Testbirds on a daily basis by going physically once in a month, or that is also not everything. So you can work permanently remotely on the websites and start your career with this one. About that, you will also get the professional help from their Testbird officials, so that you don't have to worry about how you will start with it or what knowledge will be given to you and stuff like that. So guys, go ahead and start with the testing platform today, and also try to check out Testbirds and other platforms that I already mentioned in this video, and start your career soon. Thank you.